Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to look at goal seek in Excel. So I'm going to show you this example how we can deal with goal seek. So it's going to be this is our example. We have a commodity X. Then we want to know. Then we want the units of commodity, units of commodity X, and then we need the cost price, and then the revenue. Okay, assuming we sold assuming the business produced 500 units of commodity, and then the cost price at it is 2000. Okay, so revenue, it will be equal sign units of a commodity and then times the cost price. Okay, so we are going to assuming the business, all your bosses in that business, you are the manager, they ask you a question. What if we want 11 of 70 million, how many units of commodity can we produce? So I'm going to duplicate my working. Okay, so to duplicate, just come here on the sheet you want to duplicate, then right click on it, then move or copy, and then duplicate sheet 2, create a copy. Okay, so this is the copy. So now let's go to goal seek. Where do we find it? Go to data, and then it is here on what if analysis, then the drop down goal seek is here. Okay, our objective or our set cell, it's going to be revenue. If we want to change the revenue to 70 million, we want to achieve revenue of 70 million, then our changing cell or our result cell is going to be the units of a commodity. Okay, let me repeat it once. Okay, I said our set objective is to know how many units of a commodity can we sell. So our targeted sale, it is 11. Okay, if we increase 11 to 70 million, how many units of a commodity can we produce? And then that is our result sale, which is the units of a commodity. Okay, then I'm going to tap on it. It is here. Okay, then I press OK. So we need the business needs 35,000 units of a commodity to have revenue of 70 million. So that is basic. I remain as Kawaja Robert. I'm doing business computing here too. Please, thanks for watching. Uh, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. More videos are coming.